Hi everybody, it's me, Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Farmington Hills, Michigan. Today I am going to share a pre-recorded video for my Saturday sip. I'm recording this on Friday when we're expecting a huge storm. And so I wanted to make sure I got this filmed so it would be there for you guys. So I'm going to make a fun card, and I have a fun tip I'm going to show you using this awesome Ladybug Builder Punch. Pretty sure that's what it's called. Yep, Ladybug Builder Punch. We're just going to be using the Ladybug wings. So I am going to grab a scrap of Petal Pink, and I'm just going to punch out. Okay, that one didn't punch out very well. So let me see if I can get another one in there. We'll see. Oh, it looks like it. Okay, cool. So I'm going to punch out the Ladybug wings. Then what I did was I took and cut them all in half, and I did that in 3 colors: Petal Pink, Blushing Bride, Flirty Flamingo. So I have these all cut. And then what I did with them before I finished sorting them, I grabbed a ruler or something with a straight edge for you, and I put it so that, let's see if you guys can see that. So it is kind of not to the edge, and I just want to get a fold in there, and then you can press it there if you want, because that's where we're going to glue these down. And basically what I've done is created a whole bunch of petals. So we're gonna use all of these, and then I am using one of the basic folders, one of the new online exclusives. Remember, it comes with 3. This is the one that looks like flowers or starfish. There's polka dots, and then there is a background that kind of looks like linen, which my original card is in. So I'm going to take that, and I'm going to put a piece of basic white in here, and then I'm going to see if I can get, I just want to take a little one of the stars and to kind of get it in the middle of a piece of soft suede. So I'm trying to get it in the center. Perfection is overrated, you know, but I'm putting them together because I'm going to use this separately, but I wanted it to have texture. So I'm going to go run that through my machine, and then we'll go on to the next steps. Okay, so I have run that through my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and so now I have the textured background with the beautiful floral look, and then I have this piece right here that is also textured. Now I'm going to be putting something on here. So I didn't really worry about it, although honestly you can't even see where this was. So, and that's how I can get things done a little quicker. I have an extra piece of basic white for the inside of the card, and now I'm going to glue this to the front of the card just so that I have it ready. You can add ribbon or something if you want to, but I am not going to do that. So this is a basic black is the card base. I love using basic black for a cardstock. It gives such a pop. Now I have a scrap. It's just a scrap. This is crushed curry, I believe. I believe this is crushed curry. It was a scrap that I had. I just needed a circle about 2 inches. I think this might be 1 3/4. I'm not sure. But the 2-inch and the 1 3/4 inch punches, you know, are also now available again, online exclusives. And you can shop Stampin' Up! And the online exclusives at my Stampin' Up! Website, MemoryINKers.com. Okay. And please use this hostess code. This is for March 2023. N as in Nancy, 2, N as in Nancy, W as in Wayne, 9er, 6, Y as in yellow, 6. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to use, sorry, I got to grab my silicone sheet here. I'm going to grab my silicone sheet just so that I have it. And I'm going to start with my darkest color, which is Flirty Flamingo. And I'm just going to take and squeeze some glue all the way around the edge. Then I'm going to take my petals and I'm going to just start putting them on like so. So I'm going to keep doing this. And now you can see I have the first layer of the petals on there. You can decide to add in some blanks like here because they aren't necessarily perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in another layer, just scooting it down a little bit, just in a few spots before I add my second layer, which is going to be the Blushing Bride. So let me get you there and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is Flirty Flamingo, this is Blushing Bride. Now we're going to put on a little petal pink. And I am going to put my adhesive right over the edge of these petals. That's kind of what I did for that layer, because I don't want them to be completely down too far. So I'm scooting them in. Each layer gets scooted in just a little bit from the last one, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch me finish this one so you get the idea. It's basically what I did for all of them. Of course, I have adhesive on my fingers. It is the way I roll when I create. And this is the liquid glue. I like it because it gives me an opportunity, like I've said a million times, to wiggle things around. But you do have to kind of hold your stuff in place for a second. And now this last one, I'm going to try and scoot it so it is slightly under the first Blushing Bride petal that I put down. So there you go. There is the base of my flower. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. So you're going to give that a minute to dry. And then you're going to want to take the circle. Now this is a 1-inch circle. I think it's 1 inch. I used one of my old punches because I couldn't find my stitch dies. And then after I had it ready, yeah, it's a 1-inch circle. I found my stitch dies, but you know. Okay, so now I'm just going to take one glue dot and I'm going to set it in the center, peel that back, and press it right in the middle of my flower, like so. Okay, so now I have my beautiful flower finished, and I'm going to take it off my silicone mat. If you wanted to, like, you could fill in, like, I can even see, I think I do want to. So I'm flipping it over. I've got a couple more, just a couple more of these. So I'm going to stick them on there just to see if it, I probably could have used a few more, but I didn't cut more. And in case you're wondering, I had approximately 10 ladybug wings cut. So like 20, about 20 flower petals for each color. And obviously I didn't use them all. I have plenty left, except of the color that I wish I had more of. Okay, so now it's sticking to me. All right, so now I am going to just put some adhesive on the back here, and I'm putting a lot because I want these two petals that I just added to be sure they stay. I'm going to take that and center it on my card like so, and then just press down so it holds. Isn't it cute? It's so cute. And then what I did was I cut out with my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine from Amazing Thanks dies. This die has the word thanks, amazing, and you are. So you could do like you are amazing, or you can cut the S off and do thank you. So, and I also put the sticky tape on the back, the sticky sheets, so that I would not have to glue them down, although you can. What's cool about this is this die comes with the background piece of the letters. I think there's a hole here. There is. And maybe one here. I think there's one there. Okay. I think that's it. Maybe in the S. Sorry, you guys. Like I said, I'm doing this on Thursday, and my eyes are still just a little bit working on their repair from my surgery. So I apologize if I miss anything. But I wasn't going to tape until they got better, but I don't know what's going to happen with my power. Michigan, we are expecting, so crazy, between 8 and 12 inches of snow today. Yesterday it was like 40 something degrees. Tomorrow it's going to be in the 40s. But today we're going to have a boatload of snow. So there you go. Life in Michigan. So, all right. So now all I did was I picked at this so that I could pull off the transfer sheet. And this one came off in one. You do have to be careful. Like you saw me pulling it, and it wanted to have a little hissy fit. So just take your time. Pardon my head. Because I'm taping, I can't really see where I am in camera. So I am hoping that you guys can see this well. I will go and check it in a minute. And voila. Thanks. Isn't it pretty? I love these dies. I love dies that come with a pre-cut background, because fussy cutting can be okay. I don't mind fussy cutting, but fussy cutting this would have killed me. So I can see where this had an extra piece of the of the sticky paper. So I'm going to pull that off. And okay. Now this one should come off all as one piece. Yep. No, it didn't. I lied. There we go. All right. So now I can take my thanks and set it right there in the bottom. Isn't that pretty? I really like it. I hope you guys like it. And I just thought it was a fun way. Another way to use our punches. Excuse me. So, I love this ladybug punch just as a ladybug. It's cute. But look how cute it makes this flower. So if you don't have a leaf punch or a petal punch or anything like that, look at your punches in a different way and see what works. So I hope you will share this video. If you are watching the video from a shared site or from my YouTube channel, which is also MemoryINKers, please comment if you are going to share it. And like I said, if you're watching someone share, please go to facebook.com/MemoryINKers to follow me, or follow my YouTube channel. I would love that. Again, if you want to go shopping for March 2023 or anytime, you can go to MemoryINKers.com. That is my Stampin' Up! Website. You can email me at MemoryINKers@gmail.com. The March 23 hostess code is N as in Nancy 2, N as in Nancy, W as in Wayne, Niner 6, Y as in yellow 6. Okay, I hope you guys like this card. I do have a this or that coming with this, just to let you know. Bye.